Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss worksheet 4, page number 7, of your EVS assignment booklet. Okay. When one chapter is going on, we have to complete the chapter related book pages, assignment booklet pages and Jeevan folder pages. Okay. By this, you will get 3 times practice. Clear? After reading the chapter, we have already done the book exercises. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now, it is the time to do our worksheet 4. Ready? Okay. Take your pencil. Let us discuss the questions one by one. Can you see these pages better? Can you see these pages clearly? Okay. Write your name and date before starting your work. First question is underline the correct answer. You have to underline the correct answer. 3 answers are given. It is an MCQ type. You have to underline the correct answer. We have dash sense organs. Actually, this worksheet has 2 lessons mixed up. Sense organs and keeping clean. So, let us learn sense organs also again. No problem. We have dash sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 4, 7 or 5? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. Next, we must trim our nails with a dash. Blade, nail cutter, scissors. We should trim our nails with a nail cutter. Blade and scissors are very sharp objects. We should not even touch them. Okay? Next, we must keep our hair long, clean and dirty. So, clean is the correct answer, right? Match the following. So, can you see these pictures clearly? I think this is clothes or uniform, comb, bucket with water and paste and brush. So, this child, one boy and girl, I think uniform इनको होना चाहिए. So 1 and the brush. What is this? Which child is brushing here? What is this child doing? Brushing? No, this is a comb actually. Yes, brush 4 number. She is brushing. He is combing. So 2 and then this child is taking bath. So 3. The answers are 1, 4, 2 and 3. Okay, clear? Next, write yes or no. We should exercise daily. Yes or no? रोज exercise करना है? Yes. I see rainbow with my nose. Do you see a rainbow or any object with which organ? With nose? No. We see with our eyes. We must drink 8 glasses of juice every day. Which word is wrong here? Juice. Juice word is a wrong word here. We should not drink 8 glasses of juice. We should drink 8 glasses of water. So the statement is wrong. So I must write no. Okay. We should eat uncovered food. Tell me. Yes or no? No. We should always eat covered food. Okay? Clear? Now come to page number 8. Can you see this? Yes. Fill in the missing words from the help box. The help box is given. Few words are given in the help box. And find what these children do to get ready. So you have to see what these children are doing. What does this child do? He is waking up. So wake up. This word. Wake up. When the dash shines. What is this? This is a sun. We should get up early in the morning or we should get up when the sun rises. सुबह सुबह उठना चाहिए. Dash. Dash my teeth. Brush my teeth. फिर उसके बाद सन भी नहीं है, अभी ब्रश, दिस ब्रश वर्ड भी डन. And then after that I take a, what is he doing? What is he doing? Bath. Where is the word bath? Yes. Next, then I dash myself with a clean towel. We dry. I dry myself with a clean towel. This pencil is a very light pencil, I think. Can you see what I am writing actually? You can even listen to me. I wear clean dash. I wear clean clothes. And then I dash my hair. I comb. Okay, clear? So all these are good habits. Next, look at the picture and complete the names of the things we need to stay clean. So these are the items which help us to keep ourselves clean. मैंने असाइनमेंट भी सेंड किया ना आपको कल, the same assignment almost, है ना? So now you can easily identify and take the names. What is this? Toothbrush. Tooth, BRUSH. Toothbrush. And the next one is toothpaste. TOOTH. PASTE. Toothpaste. Then towel. Toe. TOWEL. 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 This is a towel. And then soap. SOAP. App. So app. Soap. Then WA. Water. TER. Water. ये water है. Water. So name the items one more time that help us to keep ourselves clean. Toothbrush, toothpaste, towel, soap, water. Okay, clear? Okay, children. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.